I couldn't hold myself. Just want to show to you. This is Ask Anastasia, and today I'm gonna show you a different project. I'm in LA and I'm meeting with some of my friends and they're real estate investors too. This is how rental property looks in Los Angeles. Do you want to see the shower? Okay. And this toilet is a piece of art. This is bedroom. With a nice view. Walk-in closet. And pay attention to the doors. How nice doors are. This is one more bedroom. This bathroom. It's all sensors. When you walk in, it's turning on. Closets. So it's 3-bedroom here. It's 3 stories, right? Wow. It's completely different of what I usually show you. Yeah, I wasn't in the market for a long time, I would say. I'm not gonna show the guy because he's gonna get a lot of attention. This is beautiful kitchen. And it's all staging. You see how different it's look when it's staged? And this is another bathroom. Like guest bathroom. And one more floor right there when you enter. This is entrance. They're gonna go outside just to show you building. It's really modern and it's look so different. Kind of living room, small toilet right there, and it's need to be handicapped. And this is garage. Let me go outside and show you how outside looks. Isn't it a little different from what we are used to in watching all my terrible videos? Yeah. Let's look at this building. This is a street. We're on the way. By the way, if you want to contact agent, here is his information. And this is a building. It's look completely different of everything that I've seen. Look how interesting design is. And they have 3 townhouses here. And each of them are going for about $1 million. So leave me a comment. Do you like my houses better or this one? Thank you.